Gang stalking one-on-one, man. White guy with his shirt off. It's mid-November out here. Like, you feel me? Like, man, I'm just in nature, just enjoying the vibe, enjoying the sun, enjoying the water, meditating a little bit, man. Just gang stalking, just one-on-one, man. Like, it's just certain things that you will find hard to believe. Like, mid-November, white guy out here, no shirt on. First of all, he came outside with no coat on, a t-shirt on. Then he just took the t-shirt off. So he's outside, shirtless, mid-November. But I just wanted to share this with y'all, man. Like, you feel me? It's just absurd. It's funny though, but I ain't letting that blow my vibe, man. I'm just enjoying this, enjoying everything for what it is. But I just wanted to share that with y'all, man. Blessings.